Starting a woodworking project without the right tools is like trying to eat soup with a fork. It just doesn't work. But here's something interesting. There's a tool that finds perfect centers every time, and another that keeps your lungs safe from harmful dust. The best part? You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to get started. Today, we'll look at 40 must-have woodworking tools that fit any budget from $1 to $100. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, these tools will help you work smarter, safer, and better. Let's start with something essential for precise woodworking, the Milescraft Center Finder. When you're working on symmetrical projects, finding the exact center can be tricky. That's where this clever tool steps in. The built-in pencil holder keeps your marking tool perfectly steady, giving you clean, accurate center lines every time. What makes this tool special is its versatility. You can mark offsets from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch in precise increments. No more eyeballing or making rough estimates. The rare earth magnet on the back lets you stick it right on your metal toolbox or workbench, so it's always within reach. And here's a thoughtful touch. There's a built-in storage spot for your pencil, coming in at just $6.99. This affordable tool saves you time and prevents costly mistakes in your woodworking projects. Speaking of precision, you'll want to get your hands on the Mr. Pen Machinist rulers. These aren't your ordinary rulers. They're designed by teachers who understand the importance of accurate measurements. In your pack, you'll find 4 high-quality rulers that make detailed woodworking much easier. The markings are clear and won't wear off, even with regular use. Think about all those times you've struggled to make exact measurements. These rulers solve that problem. The price tag might surprise you. At $7.99 for the entire set, you're spending less than $2 per ruler. Here's what's really great. These rulers are sturdy enough for workshop use, but precise enough for fine detail work. Whether you're marking cut lines or checking dimensions, these rulers help you maintain professional level accuracy. Now, let's talk about what holds your projects together. Gorilla Dry's Clear Wood Glue. This isn't just any wood glue. It's specifically formulated for both indoor and outdoor projects. When you're working on a piece that needs to last, this glue delivers outstanding results. What's really convenient is the quick clamp time. You only need 20 to 30 minutes before you can move on to the next step. The glue works perfectly with hardwoods, softwoods, and natural wood composites, making it incredibly versatile. One of the best features is how it dries crystal clear. No more visible glue lines ruining your finished piece. For just $10, you get professional-grade adhesion that meets water resistance standards. It's amazing how such an affordable product can make such a big difference in your woodworking projects. Every woodworker needs a reliable mallet, and this double-faced rubber mallet fits the bill perfectly. The triple wedge construction isn't just a fancy feature, it's what keeps the head firmly attached to the handle during heavy use. You'll appreciate the genuine hickory handle, which feels natural in your grip and reduces fatigue during long working sessions. This mallet really shows its value when you're working on furniture assembly or doing detailed work that requires controlled force. The $17.25 price point makes it an excellent investment for your workshop. What sets this mallet apart is its versatility. Use it for everything from gentle taps on delicate joints to more forceful blows when setting joints or working with sheet metal. The THORVALD 2-in-1 Carpenter Pencil brings innovation to marking tools. This isn't your basic carpenter's pencil. It's a precision marking system that works on multiple surfaces. You get both gray and yellow leads included, so you can mark clearly on both light and dark materials. The built-in sharpener is a game changer. No more searching for a knife or pencil sharpener in the middle of a project. The 6mm fine point reaches into tight spaces where standard pencils can't go. What's really smart is the pocket clip design. You won't lose this pencil in your workshop. For $17.49, you're getting a marking tool that professionals rely on. The removable finger grip adds comfort during extended use, making precise marking less tiring. For those detail-oriented projects that need a perfect finish, take a look at the WEN 6301 Detailing Palm Sander. When you're working in tight spaces or need precise control, this tool becomes invaluable. The 1-amp motor delivers 13,500 orbits per minute. But here's what really matters. It weighs just 2 pounds, so you can sand for longer without getting tired. The angled tip helps you reach those tricky corners that larger sanders miss. You'll love how the Velcro base makes changing sandpaper quick and simple. The dust collection port is a real workspace saver, keeping sawdust under control while you work. At $24.04, this sander offers professional-grade detailing capabilities that would cost much more in a larger unit. Whether you're refinishing furniture or smoothing out small projects, this palm sander gives you the control you need. Ready to step up your measurement game? The small Carpenter square tool from SKIL packs serious functionality into a pocket-sized package. This 3.5-inch square does more than just mark right angles. You get precise markings from 0 to 90 degrees along the hypotenuse. The machined holes at 1/8-inch increments let you make repeated marks with perfect spacing. You'll find this especially useful when laying out mortise and tenon joints. The flip-stop accessory helps you draw identical angles every time, which is crucial for professional-looking results. Despite its compact size, this tool handles everything from basic squaring to complex angle work. For $25.88, you're getting a precision instrument that would typically cost much more. It's like having a full-size square and angle gauge in one portable tool. Next up is the Goldblatt Drywall Saw, a tool that proves its worth in any workshop. When you need to make precise cuts in drywall or similar materials, this saw's bimetal blade with triple ground teeth makes quick work of the job. The comfortable anti-slip handle gives you complete control, while the foldable design makes storage simple. What sets this saw apart is its sharpened tip. You can start cuts anywhere without pre-drilling. The blade locks securely during use, and the simple press of the red button lets you fold it safely away. Deep gullets between the teeth prevent material buildup, so you can keep cutting without stopping to clean the blade. This professional-grade tool comes in at just $25.99, making it an affordable addition to your toolbox. Let's talk about protecting your health while working. The AirGearPro G500 reusable respirator mask is essential for any woodworker. This isn't just a simple dust mask. It's a dual filtration system that protects you from both particles and organic vapors. You'll appreciate how the adjustable straps create a comfortable, secure fit during long working sessions. The filters are replaceable, making this a cost-effective choice over disposable masks. What's really impressive is the P2 filter's ability to catch 95% of airborne particles, keeping your lungs safe from wood dust and other workshop hazards. For $26.99, you're investing in a professional-grade protection system. The included safety goggles integrate perfectly with the mask, giving you complete face protection.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
Here is the AUTOTOOLHOME Self-Centering Dowel Jig. This tool transforms the way you make wood joints. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, it handles boards from 7/16 inches to 2 3/8 inches thick. You get 5 different drill sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, 5/16 inches, 7/16 inches, and a 1/2 inch, making it versatile enough for any joining project. The laser-engraved markings ensure accurate positioning every time. What makes this jig special is its self-centering action. No more complicated measurements or guesswork. The large steel clamping screw holds your work securely without damaging the surface. At $29.89, this jig brings professional-grade joinery capabilities within reach of any woodworker. Whether you're building cabinets or repairing furniture, this tool helps you create perfect joints every time. Moving on to edge work. The Saker Chamfer plane brings professional level detail to your projects. This versatile tool gives you precise control over edge trimming and chamfering. What makes it really special is the adjustable depth feature. You can fine-tune the cut exactly how you want it. The built-in horizontal and vertical bubbles help you maintain perfect alignment while working. You'll appreciate the high-strength carbon steel blades that stay sharp through heavy use. The comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, and the compact size lets you work in tight spaces. A safety edge protects you while working with those sharp blades. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this tool makes edge work simple and precise. For $39.99, you're getting a professional-grade chamfer plane that delivers clean, consistent results every time. When it comes to securing your workpieces, the MatchFit Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP stands out from ordinary clamps. The innovative AP spring system keeps the arm exactly where you set it, even when it's upside down. You'll love how quickly you can adjust and secure your work with a 3-step ratcheting action. Its large clamping face includes a molded cover that protects your workpiece from marks. Here's what's really clever. The ratchet mechanism won't shake loose during sanding or carving. If you have hand strength issues, you'll appreciate the long handle that provides extra leverage. Priced at $45, this clamp brings professional-grade holding power to your workshop. It works with any standard 12mm by 8mm T-slot, making it incredibly versatile. Precision marking gets a major upgrade with the Start 18A automatic center punch. This all-steel tool takes the guesswork out of marking center points. When you apply downward pressure, the internal mechanism automatically delivers a perfectly consistent strike. What's really smart is the adjustable spring tension. You can control exactly how deep your mark will be. Point is removable for easy maintenance or replacement when needed. Here's why this tool is worth $58. It gives you one-handed operation with professional-grade accuracy. The knurled cap lets you fine-tune the force of each strike, making it perfect for everything from delicate layout work to heavy marking tasks. Power tools can make a huge difference in your workflow, and the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ cordless impact driver proves this point perfectly. This tool delivers an impressive 1,800 inch-pounds of torque while staying lightweight enough for all-day use. The MagTray magnetic holder keeps your bits and screws right where you need them. You'll love how the 1/4-inch quick connect coupler makes bit changes fast and simple. The variable speed trigger gives you complete control over the 2,800 RPM motor. At $59, including 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag, this impact driver brings professional-grade power to your project without breaking the bank. Let's talk about making clean, accurate cuts with the Ryobi 7 1/4 inches circular saw. This workhorse comes with a powerful 13-amp motor that handles all kinds of lumber with ease. The contour design and front pommel handle give you complete control over every cut. You'll appreciate the versatility. It delivers a 2 7/16 inch depth cut at 0 degrees and can angle up to 51.5 degrees for those tricky bevel cuts. The included 20-tooth carbide tipped blade stays sharp through heavy use. What really makes this saw stand out is its comfort during extended use. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during big projects. For $69, you're getting a professional-grade cutting tool with a 6-foot cord that gives you plenty of reach around your workshop. Taking your woodworking to the next level requires proper surface preparation, and that's where the Stanley smoothing bench plane shines. This classic number 4 Sweetheart plane features an extra thick 1/8 inch A2 steel blade that holds its edge exceptionally well. The one-piece base and frog design virtually eliminates chatter, giving you glass-smooth results. You'll love how the cherry wood handle and knob feel in your hands. They're shaped for comfort during long planing sessions. The Norse-type adjuster, with a lateral locking feature, lets you dial in the perfect cut. At $73.60, this plane delivers heritage-quality craftsmanship. The adjustable throat plate adapts to different types of wood, making this tool incredibly versatile. Supporting your power tools properly makes every cut more accurate, and the BORA Universal Miter Saw Stand delivers on this promise. This heavy-duty stand holds up to 500 pounds and accommodates miter saws up to 12 inches. The quick-release mechanism makes setup and breakdown a breeze. You'll appreciate this feature when moving between job sites. Standing at a comfortable 36 inches high puts your work at the perfect height for accurate cuts. What makes this stand particularly valuable at $73.91 is its versatility. It works with tile saws, planers, and jointers too. The folding design makes storage simple, and at just 30 pounds, it's easy to transport. For precise cuts and consistent results, check out the BORA Products GuidePRO GP5 Featherboard. This innovative tool features a 6-inch vertical silicon feather that maintains steady pressure along your workpiece. You'll notice the difference immediately. Cleaner cuts and better control, especially when working with thin strips. The flexible feather adapts to variations in material thickness while holding firm. Setting it up is quick and simple. The miter cam pivots into position, and the locking lever secures it firmly. Priced at $79.49, this featherboard gives you hands-free material control. The non-marring silicon feathers won't damage your workpiece and help dampen vibration during cuts. Ready to tackle bigger projects? The SKIL 20-volt 2-tool combo kit provides essential power tools for any workshop. This kit includes both a cordless drill driver and an impact driver. Powered by their innovative PWR Core 20 battery system, the drill's high and low speed control lets you match power to your task, while the impact driver delivers 1,100 inch-pounds of torque for tough jobs. What's really smart is the battery's temperature management system. It keeps the tools running longer without overheating. For $99, you get both tools, a 2.0 AH battery, and a charger. Whether you're drilling pilot holes or driving large fasteners, this kit handles it all. Wrapping up our selection is the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro, a game changer for joinery work. This versatile jig creates strong joints in materials from a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. The VersaGrip 360-degree rotating handle adapts to almost any project position. You'll love the pump-action clamping system. Just squeeze the handle until your material is secure. The present material thickness settings make setup quick and foolproof. Built tough with impact-resistant polymer and a steel frame, this $100 jig is ready for workshops, job sites, or backyard projects. It even comes with a face clamp and 100 pocket hole screws to get you started right away. So that concludes our list of the 40 woodworking tools in every budget. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.